We will go on the record in the matters 20 CM 234, 21 CF 130, 21 CM 199, State of Wisconsin versus Benjamin Flannery. The state appears through DOC agent Leah Lineweber. We have Mr. Flannery in person as well. We're set here today for a probation review hearing. We were here on February 19th, in which the court did provide specific orders and conditions for Mr. Flannery to meet to avoid having conditional jail. He was serving some conditional jail or in custody on a warrant and facing conditional jail. At that time, the Department of Corrections had another individual, Gretchen Anibis, in your place, Ms. Lineweber. That is not the agent of record. You were on vacation. And so she had notes about the case, and there was a recommendation from your standpoint and Department of Corrections standpoint. But now you are back from vacation, and you can provide the court with an update on where we are now from February 19th and where Mr. Flannery is and if he is actually meeting the conditions of the court.
He is not meeting the conditions of the court.
Yikes. Less than 2 weeks after court gave him a break, he admits to meth use. That's not just violating probation, that's practically daring the court to lock him up.
Showed up on the 28th of February and he admitted to using methamphetamine.
I'm sorry, I have to turn you up a bit. Go ahead.
You want me to repeat?
Yeah, no, you don't have to repeat, but okay. Can you bring the microphone just a little bit closer?
During that office visit, he was told about the GED boot camp. He did fill out the paperwork while he was in the office, and we did email it to the GED boot camp to make sure it got there. He did come back on the 14th, and he was positive for marijuana, and he stated that it was not new use. But I did not realize at that time that he didn't test positive, or he didn't admit to it when he came into the office the first time. So I believe it was probably new use, but he was negative for methamphetamines at that time. He has not handed in any of the job logs, but he did state that he was hired full-time with his wife's uncle, I believe.
Claims he's working but brings zero proof to court. What do you think? Should courts trust verbal claims, or does probation mean receipts or repercussions?
He was told that he needed to bring in documentation, like fill out the days and the times and have the boss sign it, verifying that that's what he worked. And he was supposed to bring it to court today. And he has not.
Okay. Mr. Flannery. All right, so you were here in court on the 19th. You then saw your DOC agent on the 28th, and you admitted to consuming methamphetamine, correct?
Correct.
So from February 19th, in which you were in court, and the court set very strict conditions and did not order conditional jail, you used methamphetamine between February 19th and February 28th. Correct?
Yep.
And then between February 19th and March 14th, you used, at least you used THC marijuana, correct?
Correct.
Now, I have a notation that you've paid in your probation cases, is that correct? Have you made any payments?
Yeah.
When did you make payments?
I made, after the first 2 weeks, because you said $50 a week. After the first 2 weeks, I paid 100. I paid 50 last week, and I have 50 this week, Friday.
All right, but you still owe a significant amount.
Yeah.
All right, you understand one of those conditions that the court did order was absolute sobriety. Understand that?
Yeah.
I mean, that is one of the conditions, not only that is part of why you were not ordered for conditional jail on February 19th, but that is one of the conditions for your probation. You understand that? Understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and so now we have two admitted uses of not only THC, but methamphetamine. And we're talking February 19th to February 28th is not that long in time, right?
Right.
Ms. Lineweber, is there a recommendation from Department of Corrections?
There was not.
You don't have a recommendation?
No, I'm sorry. I just assumed we would bring it to you and then you would decide what you
Okay.
wanted to do.
Mr. Flannery, is there anything that you want to tell the court or you want to let me know?
Yeah, I mean, the drug use, I guess I understand it was a rule that I broke, but it was a more of a slip up and I'm doing pretty good.
Your eyes look kind of bloodshot right now.
Yeah, it's windy and cold. I've been outside all morning.
If I get you tested right now, you're not going to test positive?
No.
Okay. What else?
Well, now that I've been working full time, I can make my payments for sure.
And who are you working for?
M5 Construction is the company. His name's Kevin Miller.
Oh, I know Kevin Miller.
Yeah.
And who is he to you?
He's my uncle-in-law.
So I have one memorandum from the Department of Corrections from March 17th. I had another memorandum, but I don't know which file that was filed in. But I do remember there was another one filed from a different date prior to the last probation hearing. At least I thought there was. Maybe it was just what Ms. Annabus told the court. Did you file a memorandum prior to the last hearing
I did requesting the hearing.
requesting the hearing? Do you remember what date that was?
I do not. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, was that in December?
It very well could have been.
Yes. December 23rd, 2024 was a memorandum requesting a hearing. He wasn't paying his fines and fees. He didn't get his GED. He didn't complete the AODA. Oh, that's another reason. That's what we discussed, the AODA last time and with the absolute sobriety. All right, anything else that you want me to know, Mr. Flannery?
And just like that 90 days, no more second chances. The judge gave leniency, and it wasn't taken seriously. Now, the consequences are instant and final.
I guess not.
All right. Well, based upon what occurred on February 19th and based upon what occurred between February 19th and today, the court is going to order 90 days of conditional jail to start immediately today. You'll be taken up right now. 90 days conditional jail.
Can I get one more?
Nope, you're all done. I gave it to you on
I've
February
got- no.
19th. You're all done. 90 days.
Come on, I'm just getting my
90
stuff
days.
together. I've been doing,
I gave you leniency on
give me
February
a chance
19th.
at least to,
I gave you a chance
I
on
know,
February
but
19th.
please, come on,
I
please.
gave you your chance on
Judge,
February 19th.
please.
You have not done your AODA since I sentenced you, Mr. Flannery.
You said
did I
about the
sentence you?
AODA,
When did I sentence you?
you said about AODA, remember you said we're gonna just put that aside right
If
now and worry about the
you're
other stuff.
clean.
We'll worry about the other things. Okay, so I'll
And you were
do the
clean and sober.
AODA.
Nope,
I'll do the AODA then.
90 days.
I'm
Bring
I'm
'em
signed up to
upstairs.
do my
We're
GED.
adjourned.
Your Honor, please, come on.
90 days.
No. Come on, please.
90 days. 100 days.
What?
You just swore 100 days.